How to set up family sharing on YouTube TV, fast and easy. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a powerful feature that makes YouTube TV even better, family sharing. If you want to make the most of your subscription and share it with loved ones, this guide is for you. With just one subscription, YouTube TV lets you add up to 5 family members. Each person gets their own login, their own DVR space, and personalized recommendations. No more arguing over what to watch or losing your spot in the middle of a show. Let's get it set up. First, log into your YouTube TV account on a web browser, not the app. Go to Settings and look for the option labeled Family Sharing. Click on it and you'll be ready to begin. Before we keep going, if you're finding this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And in the comments, tell us, who's the first person you'll add to your YouTube TV family group? You'll need to become the family manager, which just means you're in charge of adding and removing members. Click Create Family Group and enter the Gmail addresses of the people you'd like to invite. Those emails must be linked to Google accounts, so double check that before you send the invites. Once they receive and accept, they're officially part of your family group. Each person gets their own space, their own watch history, their own library, and their own DVR recordings completely separate from yours. And don't worry about privacy. They log in with their own Google credentials. Keep in mind, all members of a family group must live in the same household. YouTube TV uses your home location to verify this, which helps with licensing and content rights. Setting this up takes just a few minutes, but the benefits last a long time. Everyone in your home gets the freedom to stream their favorite shows, while you keep things simple under one account. And that's it. Family sharing on YouTube TV is fast, easy, and incredibly useful. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides and streaming tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next movie night with the whole family.